Ghana spends millions of cedis importing cornstarch to feed its pharmaceutical industries. But now scientists at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology have successfully been able to extract pharmaceutical-grade starch from newly improved starch-producing cassava varieties. Love FM's Kwesi Deborah interacts with the scientists Dr. Ya Asantua Osei and Professor Ofori Kwache of the Department of Pharmaceutics to find out how this will affect Ghana's economic growth.
Meet Edward Bento, Quality Assurance Manager at SP Pharmaceuticals, Ejoso. He's examining cornstarch they imported recently from India. Though he would perform several tests, he is for now satisfied with the quality.
Maize starch as an important factor in a medicine or a drug is normally used as a binder or disintegrant. When we say a binder, it keeps the other actives or excipients together when you are doing the manufacturing process. So if there is no maize starch, then you see the actives or the API excipients disintegrating. They won't keep up as a whole as you expect them to be. Then it also acts as a disintegrant because after the product or the tablet is made, when you take the product into your system, it should be able to disintegrate or break down. That process is also facilitated by the maize starch in the system.
Unfortunately, Ghana has been spending millions of dollars importing cornstarch from Asia and Europe. Kwame Ajiman is procurement manager at SP Pharmaceuticals. He says the company uses over 15,000 metric tons of cornstarch annually. For the past 2 years, they spent over $300,000 on cornstarch.
This amount of the quantity of maize starch that we import, if the government or anybody at all who can come out with an industry which could produce the cornstarch to feed Ghanaian industries, as are those of us who are in pharmaceutical industries, we think that this country could save a lot of foreign exchange.
Scientists for several years have been selecting native starches of 5 new cassava varieties developed by the Crops Research Institute of the CSIR. The institute has been using genetic techniques to develop new cassava varieties with high starch content. The scientists utilize the cassava starch in paracetamol and flagyl tablet formulations. After several standard tests, they found the tablets had functional properties similar to tablets made from pharmaceutical-grade cornstarch. Interestingly, some of the tablet formulations were able to break down faster than those containing maize starch. Dr. Ya Asantua Osei.
We've been able to use chemical and physical methods to characterize the starch. And we compare it to the conventional cornstarch, and we realize that the properties are almost close to each other. And some work has been done on a few varieties where we used it actually to formulate flagyl tablets. And we did all the international standards tests on it, and it passed.
She believes the findings provide opportunities for Ghana's burgeoning economy.
Now we know that it's possible, but you know that small-scale work is not the same as large-scale. But it will be a good idea for one of our industries to take it and pilot it. And if I think it works, then it means that we have something good going for the country.
The scientists are now looking forward to a potential industrial collaboration to concretize the results. Reporting for Joy News, Kwesi Deborah.